Hello everyone, so today what we're going to talk about is what you should invest in or trade for November 9 to November 13 of 2020. And I'm excited to show you guys what the market looks like from now, and then we're going to get to how we're going to trade each day. So we're going to start with November 9 and then we're going to go to November 13. So 9 to 13. There you go. So I want to start with the S&P 500, and this is the chart. We also have the Dow Jones right here. They look roughly the same, but I just want to always put them together so that it's sort of like an extra confirmation that um, the market is trending towards a particular way, and they're pretty much the same. It's like an extra proof. And if you look at the chart for both of these, so let's start with the S&P 500, trending upward, almost like it's getting like a circular slope right here. From May, but I want to focus on this part right here. So we're actually reaching the key levels for the next entrance for our trade. So we'll either short or we're either going to go long. And for next week's play, we should expect that stocks will end higher and more cash will be placed for the economy. So let me just put that there that we're going to expect. And also expect that we will have a very volatile Monday, a huge movement upward. So I'm going to put that here. It's going to be a huge movement upward. So of course, if say Monday doesn't we don't break on the 29 to 61 level around here, around this level, as you can see from the numbers beside it right here. If we don't reach a little bit above that level, we shouldn't be expecting that the market will continuously turn upward. See, so I'm gonna write down here that the key level that we have to keep in mind upward should be I like that to be a little bit above, like say like an average day above type of level uh as a confirmation. And what I'm going to base it with is the S&P 500 more than the Dow. So key level, I estimated about 29.56. No, wait, sorry. It's going to be 36.38. So, you know the drill. Once the S&P 500 reaches this level, you should trade stocks that go up this level. Stocks go up when index. There you go. And expect that it will continuously trend upward throughout November, or possibly, I'm very sure, this week. And if it doesn't trend upward, prepare to short. And I would start shorting on a Tuesday instead of a Monday. So I'm going to write down here. If it doesn't hit key levels, huge movement, huge bullish, there you go. So if it doesn't hit huge bullish movement, prepare to short on a Tuesday. So why Tuesday? Well, with Monday, firms would always pump the market. It's their first entrance for the entire week. It's a placement. It's a placement of their trades for the entire week. Remember that options contracts start on those weeks. Uh, uh, Monday is the start of an options contract week, and Fridays. When you think about Fridays, um, it's bearish, right? And it's bearish for a reason, because on Fridays you will see that a lot of expiration dates of options expire on a Friday. So uh, I hope you understand, but yeah. So since we got that clear already, what stocks should we invest in for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday? So let me just clear the frame right here, but I'm still going to keep this mini poster. There we go. So for Monday, so expect that the market will gap high from the previous low. And what do I mean by that? The previous low was a Friday, right? Monday we will sorry, let me just repeat that again. Friday you will see that after markets and the stocks ended lower, right? But on Monday we're going to see that stocks are going to end higher. They're going to gap higher for pre-market or normal hours. So since it's gapping on pre-market normal hours, so pre-market or normal hours, I'm expecting to have a continuously bullish trend. So it's going to go upward continuously, right? And that goes for throughout the day, not just 7. I know, 9. Oh, no, sorry, it's 10:10 of Eastern time. It's not just going to the bullish pump will not end on 10:10 of Eastern time. I believe that it will continuously go up. So let's put like bearish trend there, and then a bullish trend. And that's going to go throughout the day. We might close higher. And this type of trend that I meant, this applies to Amazon, Facebook, and Google. Well, this is just a suggestion for most of you who are not familiar with what you should trade on a Monday. So if I were you, I would enter immediately once normal hours open, which is 9:30 Eastern Time, and take profit at 10:10. And look for another signal about here to enter, and once you enter that, I take profit at the end of the day, or at the end of that normal hour trading time. So that's it for Monday. For Tuesday, it's going to be the opposite. So let me just repeat what I did here. Oop. So repeat it. Oh. So we're going to go with Tuesday. And we might see not exactly a gap down from the previous high. So what do I mean by that? On Monday, you saw that started probably high, right? Tuesday for aftermarket, or maybe towards the end of normal hours. What we're going to see with Tuesday, we might see that after that, it's going to be bearish. Just fix it here like that. But I don't think that this part right here will be visible on pre-market. And I really think that we will see this on normal hours. Starting about 9:35 to 9:42. About those times. After this time, I would short the market in increments to be sure that this is just not a dip. And what stocks would suit this? We're going to go with, I really think that a very great stocks to short would be anything that's related to oil or gas, um, coal, related to natural resources, simply because this is still politically influenced week. And since Biden is projected to win, I believe that um, oil, gas, and coal will mostly be affected on a Tuesday more than a Monday. So that's um, that's something to keep in mind. So we're going to go with Wednesday. This actually Wednesday and Thursday. So how do I think the stock market will be on a Wednesday and a Thursday? I believe that on a Wednesday uh, it will simply have a sideways movement throughout the day. On a Thursday, we might see, um, depending on the trend right here, if it's going up, well, then that means that we're expecting a bullish trend on a Wednesday, or no, sorry, on a Thursday. So I really think that either direction on a Wednesday would be sideways, and for a Thursday, I believe that it will depend on um, where the key level, if the key level has been broken or if it's not broken, and if we're going to see a downward trend right here. So keep in mind that Thursday will be heavily influenced by what the index will dictate. So we might see um, this as just like a continuation of trend, upward trend, or downward trend, depending on the index, which is the S&P 500 or Dow, whichever one you're following. Um, on Wednesday, I would uh, pick stocks. I would rather do uh, day trading on this one, or short term, or simply holding stocks, holding for holding to sell for other days. And by day trading, what I meant is trading in increments. For Thursday, I wanted to stress that it's pretty similar with Tuesday. So simply trade the way you would trade on a Tuesday. This one is, and we're going to go with, oops, no, it's so late. I'm going to go with Friday. Friday, I always say that whatever it is, whatever direction you'll think the market will be. The market on a Friday, there's a lower level on a Friday, so it will always dip on the daily somehow or be bearish on the daily. And for me, I would just play this for this week as something to buy for. It's more of like a buy to hold for Monday. This applies if you think that, if the market has broken key levels and those key levels are indicators that will indicate that the market will be bullish. So only if we're bullish. Go. But then if you're bearish, I simply short the market in increments. Right? So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more of these videos or if you have any video suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Um, and always think about um, what trade you can handle. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.